One of the questions that comes up from time to time regarding mortgages is, what's a vendor take-back mortgage? Great question. A vendor take-back mortgage is a mortgage in which the vendor, the seller of the property, agrees to carry a mortgage for a set term at a set rate with a set payment. Now, it's not very common in the industry, but it does happen from time to time. Typically, vendor take-back mortgages are offered for properties that are having some difficulty selling, as the vendor needs some sort of, as the vendor is essentially incentivizing the purchaser and helping them complete their funding. Now, this could be, again, like I said, for a variety of reasons. The property may have something unique about it. It may have a structure or something else that traditional lenders don't like, or it could be a loan-to-value issue where the lenders feel that the value isn't sufficient enough, where the vendor has agreed to take some portion. And sometimes it's just a simple matter where the income of the purchasers doesn't meet the traditional test for a lender, or they could be having credit issues. So in those circumstances, a vendor will agree to step in and carry a portion of that mortgage. Now, if you ever enter into a vendor take-back mortgage, it's really important that you get good advice. Certainly, by all means, talk to a mortgage broker, but you should also be talking to a lawyer to ensure that the terms laid out are sufficient and they protect you, and you're not suddenly going to have a problem later. It's really good to understand if there's any kind of fundamental changes that could happen during the mortgage term. I mean, could the rate suddenly go up? Can it be called for whatever reason? Again, all these questions can be answered by a good solicitor who can give you legal advice on whether this makes sense or not. Now, typically these mortgages are prepared by a solicitor. Usually the vendor will have their own solicitor prepare the documents, which would then be forwarded to your solicitor as the purchaser, and your solicitor would review them, ensure that they meet whatever criteria has to be met, and that they are there and the terms of the mortgage are not onerous upon you, and there's nothing untowards about it. So that's basically what a vendor take-back mortgage is. If you have any questions regarding mortgages in general, don't hesitate. Give us a shout at the Auxilium team. Auxilium simply means to care, aid, assist, and support. We think we do a fairly good job of that. Go online, read our hundreds of positive reviews. We've been in business for over 11 years and have funded more than $700 million in mortgages. And we look forward to helping you.